आज आम्ही बेटी बार्देस पंचायतीन आमी येयल्या ओके रेस्क्यू मासूम म्हणून पंचायत फाटल्यान बिल्डींग दिसता पळय त्या सरपंचा कडेन येयल्या 3 वर्सां जाली तेंचे फॅमिली प्रॉब्लेम ह्या सरपंचा कडेन आसा आनी ही सरपंच नाटक म्हणटा पळय तशें करीत आसा आनी काम कांय करिना फक्त खंयसून आज्जेचो बटवो मेळटा तेजे आनी तेज्या घोवाचेर लक्ष आसा पळयात ही कितें सांगतात.
It all started in the year 2008-2009 when the Sarpanch and her husband came down to Bombay to ask for a property which is 3 minutes from the Sarpanch office. So here we have a family property, it's an ancestral property, and there are 8 co-owners to this property. So the Sarpanch and her husband came there to give us a building plan. Because we did not want a building over there, we rejected the plan. From there on, they have started planning and plotting with the other family member who has built the structure right now, which is a completely new structure. So in the year 2023, on 17th February, we came down to Goa and put a letter here stating that this place is co-owned by 8 people. Do not allow any co-owner to do anything until we put a partition. And we left back to Bombay. But when we came back in the month of May, we see that the structure is built. Now how the Sarpanch has played, I want everybody to know. On 17th we put a letter. On 22nd the person who built the plot over here has put an application to the Panchayat for repair license. The Panchayat is taking meeting in the month of March. Takes a meeting in the month of March and is declining to the approval of the structure in the month of May. These stages 3 minutes apart from the Panchayat, but they did not realize they are saying that the structure is built. From there on, our battle with the court has begun. So after that, we came here. That's the time we met Ms. Tara Kergar Savera NGO. She's the one who helped us from the very beginning. And from there on, we have started the case and everything. And till today, they are not doing anything. For example, to just show on papers that they are right, they conducted the inspection on after her pressure. That is when they did it. Once they did it, they found that it is illegal, etc. The Sarpanch, the Panchayat has ruled demolition on 22nd August 2023. Thereafter, as per protocol, we went to the director of Panchayat in Panjim. We won the case there also on 22nd December 2023. Thereon, we went on to the Sessions Court. From 23 till 25, that is 28th January 25, the Session Court also ruled out demolition and asked the person to demolish the place within 30 days. 28th February 2025, he completes 1 month what was given to him by the court, which is not done anything. After, as per protocol, we went ahead and we've asked them to execute the demolition. The Panchayat, the Sarpanch's name also I will tell you all. The Sarpanch name Mrs. Shushmita Pednikar. Second, her husband who's a member, he's also a builder, Mr. Subhash Pednikar. He's also a builder. He's the one, he and she are the one who are planning, plotting, and Reese Marcos has come to an end today. It's because of them.
And he's the one who is the brain player. He's the one who's the main player, playing everything but putting the Sarpanch ahead. He is the one, the main player is a husband who has a construction company, not only a construction company, but also does every planning with all the departments.
More than the Sarpanch, he's the one who's talking. Once we complete this video, we will add a clip for you all to know there is no CCTV in the area where the Sarpanch sits. That is why they're playing the ball game with everyone. So now at the end of this, you will get to see what we are talking and what we are claiming. Okay?
And the husband also says on the video, कि आम्ही इल्लीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन आम्ही कोत्ता आणि ते माकडान व्हिडिओ असा टायमाचे बरोबर डेटीचे बरोबर जागोचे बरोबर.
Yeah, and I would just like to attach to that and end what I told you. On 28th February, we complete 1 month as per protocol. He has gone to the High Court. Now, when you go to the High Court, if you are distressed, you are aggrieved. I'm also a lawyer by profession. If you are aggrieved or you are distressed, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to appeal. But this man has not appealed. He has gone ahead with a writ petition. Writ is when your constitutional fundamental rights are infringed. In fact, he has infringed our property rights. We have not done anything to him. Still, it's been more than 45 days. He is still on the property. The panchayat is not ready to take any action. He has not even got a stay from the court. But they are not helping us in any way, as they are the most interested people in this property.
तुम्ही ऐकले मी त्यांना कशा रीतीने त्या सरपंचान आणि त्याच्या गोवान कशा रीतीने त्यांना त्रास केले ते तुम्ही पळयले. आता त्याने लास्ट त्याने आपल्या हायकोर्टान केस घातल्या. कोर्टान केस जाल्यार कोर्टान केस एडमीट जावची पडटा. थंय एडमीटूच जावंक ना, फक्त एप्लिकेशन थंय पडलां, एडमीट जायना जाल्यार ताका आमी सांगलें आतां ती ना थंयसर सेक्रेटरी आहा, खंय पळोवन भोंवता म्हणून कोण जाणा, कोणाचें इल्लीगल कितें चल्लां तें खंय आज्जेचो बटवो मेळटा हेंच पळोवपाक ती भोंवत आसता. तो आनी तिचो घोव तिच्या नांवान कितले तरी लोकांनी व्हिडिओ केल्ले आसा, ते सगळे आमी लागीं केल्ले आसा. तिची कंप्लेन आमी विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटान घातल्या. अशे करप्ट लोकांक, अशे करप्ट हेंच्यो ही पंचायत दवरलेली आसा. मिनिस्टराचे स्वताचें लक्ष ना, हेंचेंय लक्ष ना. कितें चल्लां तें तुमी पळया. आतां 45 दिसांनी ते घर मोडूंक जाय म्हणून 3 वर्सां प्रत्येका कडून तांकां घर मोडा म्हणून येयत आसा, तरी सुद्दां ही मोडना. कित्याक हेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी सगळे घेतलेले आहा आनी हेंचे भुरग्या बाळांक पळय घालता अन्न आनी ही पळय जियेतात ते अशेंच इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्टराक लागून. घरान फॅमिलीन हेंच्यांनी झगडी लायिल्ली आसा. झगडी करून हेंच्यांनी स्टार्टिंगूच जेन्ना बुनियाद मारले ते लुसी म्हणून एकटे हेंच्या फॅमिलीचे एकट्या मेंबरान फावंडेशन मारला, तेणे बंद करा ताका म्हणून एप्लिकेशन दिल्लें, तेन्नाच बंद करपाक जाता. ते काडले, बॉम्बे गेले, ही सगळी बॉम्बे आसता, ताका जाय तशें ताका काम करूंक दिला. आनी आतां तो सेक्रेटरी सांगता तुमकां काय अधिकार आसा, कितें अधिकार आसा, आमची पयलीं वांटणी जावंक जाय म्हणून सांगलें. तेंच्यांनी वांटणी करून मागीर करपाक जाय. जी सरपंच ती प्रॉपर्टी जाय म्हणून बॉम्बे पर्यंत चाटत गेल्ली. तुमी चिंता असले हिजे वृत्ती आनी हेका सरपंच करून दवरला. बाकीचे पंच तांकां मेळटा काय कितें, मिनिस्टराकूय पावता काय कितें. तुमी करीत रावा, लोकांची प्रॉपर्टी इल्लीगल करीत रावा आनी आमकां वडीत दीत रावा. असले हेंचे नाटक चल्लां. हेजेर खरें म्हणीत जाल्यार स्ट्रीक एक्शन जावपाक जाय. आतां हिची केस हांव हांगा धाडपाचें आहा. फुडें हांवूय हे लोकूय फुडें वचपाचे आहा. विजिलन्स जितली कंप्लेंट विजिलन्साक केली, सरकारी येतो पयलींचो सेक्रेटरी आतां नवीन येयला ताका तर कांय खबर ना. हेंचेर एक्शन जावपाक नाका. ब्लॅक लिस्टार एका दवरपाक जाय की हिणी परत हेका इलेक्शनाक रावपाक न्हू आनी हिणी इतले वर्सां हिणी पळय लोकांक हांगा इल्लीगल धंदे करूंक दिल्या. हे सगळे वसूल करपाक जाय.
And the person, I also like to add, for people to know that the person who has built, being one of the co-owners, he is not a Goa resident. We are all from Mumbai. Yes, we keep traveling up and down. After he coming from Mumbai, you people of Goa think, how can a person get electricity? How can a person get water? How can a person build such a place just 3 minutes from the panchayat? How can you build in a new place anything? He and his family members from Bombay, his son-in-law, his daughter, his wife, all have been together in this planning and plotting. And they are all very good to the sarpanch, because sarpanch used to come to their house in Bombay. This is all of them a teamwork together to take away our ancestral property from us.
कळपाक जाय म्हणून एकदम आमी व्हिडिओ करून दाखयता की असल्या करप्ट मनशाक तुमी जिखोन दितात आनी लोकांचे पाड घालतात, फॅमिलीचे पाड घालतात. खरें म्हणून जाल्यार त्याच वेळार सगळ्यांक आपोवन करूंक जातालें, पण तेणें तें केलें ना. कोर्टान वचोंक दिलें. कोर्टान वचोन आतां काय न्हू म्हणलें, हेंच्यांनी 25 लाख रुपया म्हणले प्रत्येक हेतून. आतां ते 25 लाख आमकां फारीक कर म्हणून ताका सांग आनी मागीर पार्टिशन कर आनी तें डेमोलेशन कर. हे आमचे मागणें आसा.